Happy Friday, everyone. It's Deborah, and I'm coming on to show you some projects, not projects, just the cutouts of the continuation of the KSCraft 2025, January 2025 collection. So let's get started. So the first thing is the KSCraft's 2025 Easter sentiments, and the sentiments have Happy Easter, Hippity Hoppity, Hello Bunny, Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes, Cottontail, and Some Bunny Loves You. So here is Hello Bunny. I did pop it up on foam, and I put it on a color background, printed background, and I used the Echo Park Easter paper that I showed you probably yesterday. So that one's super cute. Hello Bunny. And then here is Happy Easter, and I did it in the blue glitter. So, and then this is Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. Super cute. I doubled it up on, well, I put it on the pattern paper, and then I added another paper to make it just a little bit thicker. Okay, I probably need to do that with all of them. And then Some Bunny Loves You. I think that those are the only ones I did out of that. I didn't do Cottontail and Hippity Hoppity. I didn't do that. But anyway, that's that. And then next is, these are super cute, the KSCraft 2025 Bunny Cookies. And that's what they look like. Now I just cut them out. I didn't do anything with them. I'm not sure what I will do with them. I want to cut out more ephemera to have ready to go, or to do for swaps and stuff like that. So anyway, there's that cute bunny. I think I'm going to double these up, maybe with foam and, you know, everything. Oh, I love the plaid. They're super cute though. I'm just not sure what to do with them right now. I just wanted to cut them out and see what they look like. Oh, they look like they have bites out of them. They're super cute. Okay. All right, moving on. This one is the KSCraft 2025 Cute Bunny Stamps and Die. Oop, I didn't spell that right. This one, super cute. Okay. Let me get the little bunnies. The bunnies actually stamped better than the words. I'll tell you that right now. I was a little disappointed in the words, but I'm not disappointed in the bunnies. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. And I just stamped them on the blue and backed them up with another piece of paper. I mean, you could color them in. You could stamp them on white cardstock and color them in if you want to. But look how cute they are. And the stamps, I seasoned them by stamping off a few times on scrap paper, and they stamped so beautifully, and just very impressed. I didn't have to put anything underneath them like foam or anything I just used, let me show you what I use for stamping. And then here's one more. Okay, let me show you what. I use this little mat from Dollar Tree, And I just turn it over on the back, and or actually I don't turn it up because I want to line it up with clear block and make sure everything's lined up. And then, yeah, I love this little mat. I glue on it and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, those turned out really, really well. The words, well, I had problems with those. I seasoned them, stamped off on a scrap piece of paper over and over again, and still had problems with them. There's Easter wishes. No bunny loves you like I do. Isn't that cute? Ooh, I need some lotion. Bunny kisses. Show me the bunny. You can see where this one was a little uneven, and it did that over and over again, even stamping off and seasoning the stamp. And then Hoppy Easter, the same here. And I may just be a little heavy-handed, but anyway. Too Hip to Hop is okay. They're just not as clear as the bunnies, for sure. And then Hoppy Egg Hunting, that one was the worst. And then they had these cute little bows. Now, I'm not sure how I'd use these. My hands are super dry, and I apologize for that. I should have put lotion on before I did this. So anyway, that is the, I love the stamps. I love the bunnies. The bunnies are amazing, and I can't wait to figure out what I will do with those. I want to show you something that... So I have the bunny rosette. I have not worked with that yet. And when I ordered the sets, I accidentally got 2. So I am going to give away 1 once I meet 50 subscribers. And I'm at 49, so shouldn't take long. I hope. But you have to be a subscriber. So I will announce that giveaway when I get to 50 subscribers. But I just want you to know that I will be giving away a bunny rosette die to someone who lives in the United States. But anyway, I will announce it once I hit 50. Anyway, you guys have a great day and have a great weekend. I probably won't be on unless I get to do some more crafting. Anyway, you guys take care and have a great weekend. Bye.